Hey everybody, how are you doing? Hope you're all okay. My name is Vic, and today I have decided to come here to talk to you a little bit about the Glucotrust supplement. So if you're here probably looking for more information about it, then stay tuned until the very end of this video. Then for sure it's going to be the most complete video you will see today on the internet about it. I also want to give you some important warnings and alerts that you must know before actually purchasing it, so stay with me, alright? However, if you watch this video to the end and you think you need more information about it, I'm gonna leave the link for the official website just below in the description of this video. Just go to the description box, click on the link below, you'll go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about it. But remember to stay with me because the alerts and warnings will be available only on this video. So what is Glucotrust, guys? Glucotrust is a dietary supplement that claims to support your blood sugar levels, all right? So it is 100% natural. That means it has no chemical composition in its formula, only natural ingredients. So it has no side effects, no contradictions. Anyone can take it because it's only going to bring benefits to your organism. So the Glucotrust will work on the root cause of your problem, like any kind of blood sugar levels problems or glucose problems. So the Glucotrust will help you with that, like it has been helping thousands of people around the world just taking it. Because we know that many people, when they discover they have diabetes, they have to take tons of pills and drugs or insulin. They have to inject insulin. But just taking Glucotrust, you will have all the benefits just in one capsule, right? It will also support your sleep. So you will have a good night's sleep because the Glucotrust will work while you're sleeping, all right? But guys, remember that this is not a magical formula, but yeah, natural treatment. So you must take it every single day in order to obtain fast, lasting, and effective results. Otherwise, you won't see any results and you will feel very frustrated about it. So be very committed to your treatment, all right? The best way to take it, guys, is in the morning and take it with a lot of water because the water can help the Glucotrust work even faster in your body's metabolism in your organism, all right? So take it in the morning and I'm pretty sure you will see the results faster than taking it other periods, all right? And with a lot of water, remember that. However, guys, it has a but, all right? So Glucotrust is only sold on their official website. That means it's not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. Remember that to help you out, I left the link just below in the description of this video. That's the only link that you can buy the original Glucotrust from, nowhere else. So be very careful with that. And if you're still scared of buying it, if you think it's not going to work for you, may lose your money, I have to tell you that it has an extended guarantee of 180 days. So you can actually test it for like 6 months, and if you don't see any results, you can just go to the official website, contact the support team, ask for a refund, and they will give you 100% of your money back. So that's how legit they are, guys, and that's how much they believe in their product, all right? Also, if you go to the official website, you will see that if you buy 3 bottle kits or 6 bottle kits, you will receive some free bonuses like ebooks that will help you even more in all of this process, controlling your blood sugar levels. And this were the information I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching until here. But don't forget to check the website out. There you can see all the complete information about it, the complete list of ingredients, people's testimonials. You can see the discounts and also buy the original Glucotrust only by this link. Thank you so much for watching until here and see ya.